In the 11th century, Norse sagas tell of a fascinating Viking navigation tool, the sun compass. This device, known as the solstein, enabled Vikings to navigate the seas long before the magnetic compass's invention. Crafted from a slab of calcite crystal, the sunstone had the unique property of polarizing light, allowing seafarers to locate the sun on overcast days. By following the sun's position, Vikings could determine their heading with remarkable accuracy. While the sun compass likely couldn't replace traditional instruments entirely, it served as a crucial backup when clouds obscured the sun or during the midnight sun phenomenon. The accuracy of the sun compass was confirmed in 2011 when a replica was tested on a sunny day. Surprisingly, it displayed an error margin of just a few degrees, highlighting the Vikings' sophisticated understanding of celestial navigation. This ancient marvel sheds light on the ingenuity of early seafarers and challenges modern perceptions of their technological capabilities. The sun compass not only showcases the Vikings' mastery of navigation, but also underscores their deep connection to the natural world. As we delve into the mysteries of this Viking solar compass, we unveil a hidden chapter of history where science and exploration intertwine, offering a glimpse into a bygone era of seafaring innovation and discovery.